Welcome to my channel, Learn and Earn, to live your life on your own terms. One, you're welcome to my channel, Learn and Earn Academy. And today in this video, we are going to talk about types of banks account. Now, you must have heard about different types of bank accounts, but majorly there are four different types of bank accounts: current account, saving account, a recurring deposit account, and fixed deposit account. In this video, we are going to learn all about that. So if you like this video, you can press the like button, subscribe to our channel and share it on social media. Help us to spread education in this beautiful world. Now let us see uh, what exactly are these four bank accounts. Now traditionally banks in India have four types of deposit accounts: current, saving, recurring and fixed deposit. Now what is current account? Now current is mainly for business persons, for firms, for companies, for public enterprise, etc. And they are never used for the purpose of investment or saving. So whenever you hear the name current, it means not for common man. It is for business people, firms, companies, public enterprises. These deposits are most liquid deposits and there are no limits for number of transactions or the amount of transactions in a day. Since it is a business account, you can withdraw or do transactions any number of time. So at any point of time you can withdraw your money. There will be no charge. You can carry as many transactions as you want. Now there is no interest paid on the amount held in the account. So for example, if you have 1 lakh rupees in your current account, you will not get any interest from the bank on this balance. Banks charge certain service charge on such accounts. Now since it's a business account and there are so many transactions, bank will charge a certain service charge on these accounts. So the current accounts do not have any fixed maturity as they are on continuous basis account. So it is a pay as you go. It's like a prepaid account. You have the money, you put in, you take it out, you do the transactions, you pay to the vendors, the people who have you want to pay. That's it. So current account is mainly for business person, firms, companies, public enterprise, and are never used for the purpose of types of investment. Now let us talk about saving accounts. Now saving account is for the common man. The first thing that should come to your mind when you hear the word saving account is common man. It is for saving purposes. Any individual, either single or joint, can open a saving account. Most of the salaried person, pensioners and students use saving accounts. The advantage of having saving account is that banks pay interest for the saving. For example, if you have 1 lakh rupees in your saving bank account, you will be earning around 4 to 6% interest on this account. In current account, there was no interest. So the saving account holder is allowed to withdraw money from the account as and when required. Also, in saving bank, you can withdraw your money anytime you require. So you must have seen long lines in front of ATMs. Normally people withdraw from their saving bank accounts through ATMs. Now the rate of interest is between 4 to 6% on whatever deposit you have in saving bank account. There is no restriction on the number and amount of deposit. You can deposit as much amount as you want in your saving bank account, provided as a full saving bank account. Uh, there are also small saving bank account which allows you transaction of only 1 lakh rupees per year. But if you have a complete saving bank account with no limitations, then you can withdraw and deposit as many times. But withdrawals are subject to certain restrictions. For example, many of the banks may allow only 10 withdrawals per month on free basis through ATMs. After 10, you may have to pay charge of 5 rupees or 20 rupees, whatever the bank wants to charge. Now, some banks recommend to maintain minimum amount for keeping it functioning. Now, all the private banks, if you go and open a saving bank account, they will ask you to keep minimum 10,000 balance. Uh, for the account to function. And if you do not maintain 10,000 rupees on monthly basis, they will charge certain fees from this saving account. So if you want to have a saving account without any minimum balance, you please go to a public sector uh, bank. They will open a free saving bank account in which you don't have to maintain any balance. So I hope this point is clear. Saving account is meant for saving purposes. Any individual, either single or jointly, can open saving bank account. Now, what is recurring deposit account? Now, recurring deposit or RD account is opened by those who wants to save certain amount of money regularly for certain period of time and earn higher rate of interest. Now, for example, 2 years from now, I want to buy a car. Let's take, I want to buy Maruti Suzuki Creta. This is a car which is around 10 to 12 lakhs. For that, for the next 2 years, I need to invest. I need to save certain amount of money every month. So what I do, I open a recurring deposit account. So every month in my bank account, I am going to save 20,000 rupees or whatever the amount is for 2 years. Now, recurring deposit is a saving account. It is a form of deposit account in which you can keep certain amount of money every month and it gives you interest. So by the time 2 years are complete, you will get not only the entire principal amount which you have saved, but also the interest on it. So the recurring deposit account, a fixed uh, amount is deposited every month for a specified period, and the total amount is repaid with interest at the end of the particular fixed period. So the period of deposit is minimum 6 months and maximum 10 years. The interest rates vary and depend upon different banks, also on the amount as well. No withdrawals are allowed as it's a deposit account and the amount will be fixed for that period of time. So, however, the banks may allow to close the account before maturity periods as well. These days, you can close the account in case you require the money early. So, this is how a recurring bank account functions. So, a recurring deposit account or RD account is opened by those who want to save certain amount of money regularly for a certain period of time and earn a higher rate of interest. Now, what is fixed deposit account? Now, fixed deposit, as the word says, this amount will be fixed for a certain period of time. For example, I have 1 lakh rupees and I want to fix this amount for 5 years. So what the bank will do, the bank will open a fixed deposit account and will put my 1 lakh rupees in this account and will lock this amount for a period of 5 years. So I cannot take my money uh, before 5 years because I will not get the benefit of the interest rate. So if I want to continue for 5 years, and I will get a good amount of interest on this amount. So in fixed deposit account, a particular sum of money is deposited in a bank for a specific period of time. It is one time deposit and one time takeaway. The money deposited in this account cannot be withdrawn before the expiry of the period. However, in case of need, the depositor can ask for closing the fixed deposit prematurely by paying a penalty. The penalty amount varies with bank. A high interest rate is paid on fixed deposit. The rate of interest paid for fixed deposit varies according to amount, duration, and also from one bank to the other. So, in fixed deposit, a particular sum of money is deposited in a bank for a specific period of time. So, I hope this video would have given you a lot of valuable insight on this important topic because most of the youngsters who are applying for a bank account, they may not be knowing what different kinds of accounts they can apply for and how they can take advantage of their investment or their saving. So if you have extra money and if you want to invest it on a regular monthly basis, you can open a recurring deposit. If you have a big amount, you can open a fixed deposit account. You can invest it for a period of 5 years. And if you want to do normal transactions, you can open a saving account. And if you are a business person, you can open a current account. So I hope this video would answer all your queries. So if you like this video, you can press the like button, subscribe to my channel and share this video on social media. Help us to spread education in this beautiful world. Thank you. Have a great day.